In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126a printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate at the description box below. You'll be able to see a link there. Please copy it. And once you've copied it, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. So here at the address bar, please paste the link that you have copied. Make a right click and click on paste. In that way, you'd be able to paste it. And then click on the enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to see this kind of window. So please scroll down and find for driver product installation software. Then click on this down arrow key. And there you can find this full software and drivers. And click on this download aligning to it. In that way, you can start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Okay. Once you have downloaded it, please copy and move it here to the desktop. So by that, please double tap to make a right click, or please double tap to extract or unzip the file, or make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. Sorry for that. Okay. So wait until you get to see an option called WinRAR, and once it's here, go with extract to and wait again until you'd be able to create a new file folder here at the desktop before we proceed to the installation. Okay. Okay, so once it's here of this printer drive, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Now here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And here are the settings. You need to proceed to the left side of that and find for Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. And from here, please proceed to printers and scanners. And there you can see an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can show up another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And in a few moments, a new window would be appearing here in our screen. Once it's here, go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. So it could be one, two, or three. And if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So click on Next. Click on Have Disk, and you need to navigate to Browse. See the desktop, and then scroll down and find for the extracted file. Double tap. And then there you can see the list of drivers here. Select any of that and then click on the open to continue and click on OK button. And there you'll be able to see that one. Click on next and please rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting MFP M126a as the printer name. So click on the next once you have set the printer name and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this will be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126a printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.